Today I'm going to show you how to download all of your attachments from all of your lists in your Trello board with a few simple clicks. So in Trello, if you want to download an attachment, you can go ahead and actually download the attachment individually. Okay, so let's click on this. You'll see here is the attachment. Go ahead, click on the three dots and click on download. Now this will download just this one attachment. Let's say that for some reason you have hundreds of attachments like I do. We've got all of these attachments and really we just want to download them in a few simple clicks. Let's go ahead. Up to the top right hand side you'll see automations. Next to automations you'll see power-ups. Go ahead and click on add power-ups. Now power-ups are like third-party integrations. This will allow you to do different functions. So let's go ahead and type in download, type in attachment, whatever the case may be. All right, here there are a few options. Okay, so let's just click here and then let's say download. Let's hit enter. Now what you'll see here is all of the apps or the processes that you can connect. Now this attachment downloader I have used before. It is good. You get a limited amount of credits, so it depends on how much you need to download every single month. You can also see that there are a couple other options, but let me click on this one over here, click on add and click on add. Basically what's going to happen here, okay, give it a few seconds. It's going to load into your board. Okay, here's the board name. And once this has happened, you may have to close the app, open it up again, and you will actually be able to find this up over here on your board over here at the top. So let's close this. Right, now you can see I've refreshed my page and we've got this download button over here. So click on this download button, okay? And then you need to just authorize this to work properly. So click on authorize over here. You'll just make sure that you are giving access to these two apps to connect, speak to each other and interact, ultimately to be able to download these attachments. Go ahead, click on it again, it'll open it up. It will now say that you are about to download X amount of attachments, okay? It'll show you over here how many credits you have, which you can top up. It'll open this up over here and you'll be able to view what it's going to cost. You can see over here. So it's really not a lot. Go ahead and either split your attachments into list folders or split them into card folders. Depends on what it is that you'd like to do. And then click on start download. Now, some of them you're able to actually click on the three dots over here, come down, and it says power-ups. Under power-ups, download attachments. This will allow you to download the attachments of this particular list over here. Quickly and easily, everything can be downloaded at once.